Class 5th students, open your English grammar book, chapter number 13, page number 63. Now we will discuss the exercises. Take out exercise A. You have to do this exercise in your book. Match the columns to complete the sentences in the present perfect tense. We have to do the matching, and just remember to do the matching with the help of pencil and just write down the numbers here. Okay, I have done my homework, so we will match it with I can listen to some music now. It is number 1. Shanaila has left. She isn't here now. Number 2. I have locked the door. Here's the key. Number 3. Harry's broken his leg. He can't play now. Number 4. I have brought my football. We can go out and play now. Number 5. We have bought some eggs. We can bake the cake now. 6. Now, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with for and since. We have to use for or since according to the sentence. They have not met dash. They were in school together. We are talking about the particular timing, so we will use since in the small letter. Just write down all the answers in small, and you have to also do this exercise in your book with the help of pencil. Miss Rao has been a teacher dash 2002. We are talking about the perfect timing. It is also since. Sudhir hasn't eaten anything dash 8 hours. Duration of time is given. We will use for. Parth has read 11 books dash last weekend. Particular timing since. We have had the same car dash 10 years. Duration of time for. I haven't seen my uncle Murali dash 2009. Again, particular time is given since. He has worked in this bank dash 5 years. For 5 years. Duration of timing is given. Lata has loved dancing dash. She was a child from. Okay, particular timing is given when she was a child since. She has lived in England dash 12 years. Not particularly, there was a duration of timing is given when she was start living in England for 12 years. She hasn't been on a holiday since last year. I haven't seen my red jacket since yesterday. I think I have lost it. We will use since yesterday, particular timing. I have been studying non-stop dash 9:15 a.m. Again, the particular timing is given, particular time since. We have been working here dash 9 o'clock. Again, particular time since. My father has had a driving license dash he was 18 since. She hasn't taken a day off dash the past 6 months. Which 6 months? From January to June or from whatever. No particular time is given. We'll use for. In this way, you have to complete this A and B exercise in your book with the help of pencil. Okay. Now turn the page. Exercise C. Given below is a picture of Nina's room as it looked yesterday and today. See, this is a picture of a room of a Nina. This is the picture of yesterday and this is the picture of today. You have to write down 6 sentences about her room using the present perfect tense. You can write it down these all sentences in the present perfect tense. And describing her room in the 6 sentences, you have used some verbs like put, tidy, close, sweep, hang and so on. You can also use the other verbs also. And write down these all sentences on your own. Like I write down, she has put all the things on its proper place. The drawers have closed. The red curtains have hung in the same way. Means these are not changed. The telephone wire has placed on the table properly. See, first it was not placed and then in the second picture it was placed properly. All the books and papers have kept on its correct location. Everything should be in correct location. She has swept her room very beautifully. Cleaned her room very beautifully. So, I write these all 6 sentences. You can write down other 6 sentences. Whatever you can write it down. Okay. Now, change the sentences as instructed. We have to do this exercise in the copy as there is no space. So, open your copies. Now, write down the date of today. 4/6/2020. It's lesson number 13. Present perfect tense. And the exercise is given on page number 64. Exercise heading is D. Change the sentences as instructed. Just write down question number 1. Has he just left? Question mark. We have to change it into negative. So how we will change it? First method is hasn't he just left? We have to use not in the same way. Or in the second method you just use first subject, then the helping verb, then not, and then the remaining word. He has not left. This is the only way. Okay. Then the second one, I have not made dinner yet. We have to change it into affirmative. So what is the answer? I have made dinner. This is the only way to write down it into affirmative. Third, have you sent the messages to Ruhi? We have to change it into affirmative. So I can write down you have sent the messages to Ruhi. Full stop. Next, have you been to China? Question mark. We have to change this into negative. So how we will write down? Haven't you been to China? Question mark. Or you have not been to China. Okay, full stop at the end. Next, fifth, they have lost their dog. We have to change it into interrogative. So we will write down, have they lost their dog? Question mark. Next, have you bought some bread? We have to change it into negative. So haven't you bought some bread? Question mark. Or you have not bought some bread? Full stop. Next, number 7, I have seen the Jungle Book. We have to change it into interrogative. Then how we will write down? First of all, we have to use a helping verb have, then subject I, seen the Jungle Book. Remember to write down the Jungle Book T, J and B in capital and question mark at the end. 8th, I have eaten a cupcake. We also change it into interrogative. So have I eaten a cupcake? Question mark. Has your sister found a job yet? Change it into affirmative. So your sister has found a job. She has studied French. Change it into interrogative. Has she studied French? Question mark. It has rained a lot this year. Change into negative. It has not rained a lot this year. You haven't finished your lunch yet. Change into interrogative. So haven't you finished your lunch yet? Question mark. In the same way, you have to just complete your exercises in your notebook. You have to do exercise D only in your copy and exercise A, B and C in your book only with the help of pencil. Okay. Do your work very neatly and carefully read this chapter again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.